Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. I am sure that recommendations that had been made in this seminar shall help in addressing critical issues facing this sector. Information has to be given in a language which is understandable to everyone. I am also happy to hear from the CIC that the Commission is working towards bringing down the pendency of cases filed before it to within 6 months of registration. An early disposal by the information commissions will help citizens get their grievances redressed quickly. I would encourage all the commissions to make a concerted, sincere effort towards speeding up disposal of cases registered with them. They must ensure timely and correct information for the citizens. The central and state information commissions are a bridge between public authorities and the citizens. I would like them to participate in the public disclosure on transparency and RTI related issues. More importantly, they should give advice to public authorities to improve their processes and procedures for decision making. This would lead to systematic improvements leading to lesser number of RTI requests being generated. I would suggest that the commissions and public authorities should take up such an exercise regularly. It is in this context that I am specially pleased to note that today also the subjects for the convention have been chosen carefully for discussions on suo motu disclosures, record keeping, and emerging issues in implementation of the right to information. I hope that all the participants will find these discussions most productive and contribute to evolution of better transparency and accountability levels. I have great pleasure in inaugurating the convention and wish all participants success in the deliberations. Media has an important role to play in the success of parliamentary democracy. Parliament has a role, politicians have a role, political parties have a role, and media has also an important role. People should get information. The success of parliamentary democracy lies in information flow. I hope the discussions will come up with substantive recommendations which will help further advance the cause of right to information in our country. Jai Hind. Stop. Thank you.